Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to do the pulsar circuitry. So as I showed you before, this is the signal that's actually going to be sent right here. And this is the signal that tells the other side that, yeah, we meant to send a signal. This allows us to send ones and zeros. So whenever I flick this switch, it sends a pulse, a very brief pulse, to this line here. This is the circuitry for the pulsar. And the reason I do this is because the circuitry at the other end of this requires the signal to be basically clocked. And it would mess up if it was just constantly sending this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this pulsar. You need sticky piston. You don't need wood, but you can use any block you want. Redstone torches, repeaters, a lever. Well, you don't need the lever, but I'm going to use levers just to show you how it works. So the basic principle is this. You can have, I'm not really sure why this works, but you can have this block transmit power to this block, which then transmits its power to this block. But if this block is gone, it doesn't transmit the power. So we put a redstone torch there, a redstone torch here, and here's our signal. And then more redstone over here, and like that. So just to show you how this works, if I have and it's inverted. The signal is inverted, so this is 0 and this is 1. So when I flick this switch, this becomes 0 and this is 1. Okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce a piston here to move this block and make it so that this signal is no longer transmitted. And that's basically what's going to create the pulse. So what we're going to do is, let me just make sure on this. Here. Okay. We need to put a repeater right here with some delay. Might as well go all the way on the delay. And then we need to invert the signal. So here's an inverter. It's basically a block and then a redstone torch on the side. Then we send that signal. Yeah, we send it to this block over here. So when this is high, the sticky piston is going to push out here. And that should be all we need to send the pulse. Let me just see. Here, let's put like a lamp right here so we can just see. This is working. There's the lamp. Yeah, so when I turned it off, it's off, right? But when I turn it on, it sends a brief pulse to that. So what's happening is this diode, this repeater is providing a delay so that this signal gets a chance to come across here and provide a brief power to this lamp. But then, because this is inverted, this will cut off the circuit. So it's all about this diode, right? This repeater right here, which creates the delay. And you can set that to whatever you want to create a shorter pulse. See, there's a shorter pulse, a little longer pulse, and the longest pulse. So that's how that works. Again, it's required for the circuitry that I'm doing. You might not need it, but if you ever need it, that's how to do it. Alright, thank you.